As you know that there are many ways to manage stress, including exercising, talking to a friend or something doing enjoyable. But what you eat are also very important. Those affect all aspects of our physical and mental performance. Sometimes we unknowingly eat some foods that makes our stress worse. Therefore, in this video we will learn about those foods that the lack of which or their high consumption causes stress. You need magnesium to carry out more than 300 chemical reactions in your body. Among the reactions that affect our brain, nerves, heart and muscle functions, there is evidence that magnesium can reduce the anxiety and is useful for insomnia. Also, a human study found that taking daily enough magnesium supplements reduce the symptoms of depression in older people who have diabetes as much as antidepressant. The best food sources of magnesium are whole grains, nuts and seeds, leafy greens and legumes. Also, it's necessary to know that some drugs, including diuretic, can reduce the reserves of magnesium in our body. Sugar and refined carbohydrates causes fluctuations in blood sugar which result in anxiety. After you eat sweet or highly processed food, insulin and blood sugar spike immediately. Too much insulin in blood can cause a drop in blood sugar, and it drops suddenly at the same speed as it was raised. Those highs and lows in blood sugar can exacerbate anxiety or panic attacks if someone prone to them. Often people use caffeine to increase their concentration and energy, but unfortunately some people experience anxiety and nervous irritation after consuming caffeine. Other body reactions to caffeine includes heart palpitations and headaches. Coffee, tea, black soda and energy drinks are the most common sources of caffeine. Some other foods also contain a small amount of caffeine, such as chocolate. It's better to know that some medications such as pain relievers and medications that are used for headaches are also contain a small amount of caffeine. Omega-3 is a dietary fat that is abundant in fish such as salmon and sardines. Omega-3 has anti-inflammatory effect and can protect you from heart disease. Also, research shows that diets high in omega-3s can support brain health. Plant foods such as walnuts, chia seeds, sesame seeds and flax seeds are the most common sources of omega-3.